welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a little unboxing of Earthglow Allen. Yes, he was having a Valentine's Day sale and I wanted to try out some of his candles and wax melts. So I have been following him on YouTube for a couple months now, and I'm one of his Patreons, so I love that. Ooh, wow. So yeah, and that was my cat. So right on top we have a magnet right there. So super cute. Let me pause and close my door 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I showed you guys the magnet and this little piece of paper. It's just a little manifesto. So I'm gonna read that after this video. Okay, and then next is his business card. So it says, Jessica, I'm not good with cursive, so yeah. So just a little personal note. And then on the back, a QR code for his website. And then I did get an electric lighter. So this is just telling me how to use it and everything like that. So cannot wait to use that. And then here is his care card. And then a little blurb on the back about how his candles are used. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I love caramels, so I got a little piece of caramel. Love that. I love when businesses put in extra, like, extra goodies. And then this is my invoice. Okay, so starting off with the wax melts. Wow. I'm just gonna lay them over here. It's so funny to see that, oh my goodness, how many wax melts did I get? I'm just gonna set them up here. Okay, I got 3 wax melts, and I know one of them was free with my order. So, wow. He really loaded me up. Thank you so much, Alan. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get my glasses. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the samples. So the first one is Crackling Campfire. So this is Forest Air, Crackling Birchwood, Foraged Bayberry, Tree Sap, steam from a hot mug of orange cinnamon tea. Ooh, so that's what that says. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I definitely get the orange, and then I get the crackling birch. This will be perfect for like the fall time. So that's the first one. The second one is Lake Michigan Trail. This is weathered beechwood, tall oak trees, warm sand, soft cardigan, vanilla smoke from a distant campfire. Sorry, the reflection on the label. Oh, I might have to warm this one tonight. I definitely get the weathered birchwood. It's like a sexy man scent. I love it. I get the warm sand, but it smells so good. So I cannot wait to warm that one. So that's that one. And the last one is Sunset on the Lake. So this is blooming orchid, marine watermelon, or marine watercolor, sandy, yeah, I can't read. So if you guys want to pause and read it. But I think I'll like this one. Oh, this one's fresh. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Okay. Oh, this one's beautiful. He does such a nice job with his wax. So those are the samples. And then, oh, one more sample. The city, Chicago, Illinois. That's where I'm from. So, well, I'm not from Chicago, but I was raised here. So this one reads Blood Orange Sunset. In, oh my God, smoked orange, soft sandalwood. So, oh, this one's beautiful. Oh, wow. It's very fresh. Riding the Ferris wheel at night. I remember riding the Ferris wheel when I was a kid when we would go to Chicago, and I absolutely loved it. But I don't go into Chicago as much. I was gonna go into the city for the Chicago Auto Show, but me and my friend bailed, so. Okay, so the wax melts that I ordered 3 of them. The first one is Gothic Rose. So this one is The Dark Collides with Romance. So this is Dark Orchard Plum, Labdanum Resin Smoke, Orris Root, and Inked Paper, Forbidden Red Grapefruit, Shadowed Woods, Warmed by Skin. So, show on the back. It's marbled. It's beautiful. Love that. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me... Oh, yeah. I get more of the rose on the bottom. Oh, but it smells so good. So I cannot wait to warm this. So that is the Gothic Rose. I love his labels. They're so professional looking. The next one is Namaste Many moments of calm. So this is golden light, wild neroli nectar, jasmine on warm skin, singing bowls in harmony, feeding one with the stars, sun, and earth. Oh, wow. That's very, like, what am I smelling? I think it's the neroli nectar. But it smells really, really good, so. It's more potent on the bottom. This is what the wax melt looks like on the bottom. But I really like it, so. That is Namaste. That's what the back looks like. And the last one I got was the Villa. So this is time alone plus sunlit lingers. This is drifting on the water. Zested bergamot, citron, olive leaf woods, warm conversation, sun-drenched coastline, quiet country cedar. I think I'm gonna like this one. Oh yeah. Ugh. Just smelling it calms me down. Oh, I love this one. This would be a perfect bathroom or bedroom scent. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that one. So that is the Villa. Okay, now for the candle. And the lighter. I needed a new lighter, so. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. All right. So I got one of his candles just to try out, but I love his packaging. It's so sleek and just professional looking. So let's open up this box. That is so nice. Wow. So this is what it looks like. It's like a gold, yellow, orange color. And then there's the buttons to light it. As you can see, it's on. And then you push this button to light it. So cannot wait to try this out. And the charger is right beneath it. So cannot wait to try this out. So that's my lighter. And lastly, the candle I got was the lilac and lemon leaf. So this is sun-drenched morning, zested Calabrian lemon, blooming French lilac, dewdrops on the lawn, floral winds drifting through sheer curtains. So, let me get where'd my knife go? Oh, there it is. I hate to cut his beautiful packaging, but it's fine. Okay. So it's all nicely wrapped. Definitely gonna save the packaging. Ooh. So this is what the candle looks like. His lid. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I'm gonna have to burn this after this video. Oh, I love this one. So that is the lilac and lemon leaf. I definitely get the lemon and I get the lilac. So I cannot wait to try out his candles. I will let you guys know how I like the candles, or the candle, I should say. But yeah, that was my review or unboxing of Earthglow's Allen's candle, and that's what I ordered from the Valentine's Day sale that he was having. Thank you, Allen, for gifting me the lighter and the, I don't know which wax melt he gifted me, but I love it. And yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would, please like this video and subscribe, and make sure to turn on the bell notification for whenever I upload any new videos. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.